Welcome to this beginner's guide on using the Java Collections framework. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on LinkedList, one of the most commonly used collection classes in Java. LinkedList is used to store a list of elements where each element of the list is linked to its previous and next element. It is an implementation of the list interface in Java and provides various methods for adding, removing, and manipulating elements in the list. First, let's talk about the syntax for creating a linked list. The string part specifies the type of elements that the linked list will store. For example, if you want to store integers, now let's look at some of the methods that linked list provides. The first method we will look at is add. The add method is used to add an element to the linked list. Here's an example. This will add the string element owned to the end of the linked list. You can also specify an index in the add method to add the element at a specific position in the list. For example, this will add the string element_o at index 1 in the linked list. Another useful method is remove. The remove method is used to remove an element from the linked list. Here's an example. This will remove the string element_o from the linked list. You can also specify an index in the remove method to remove the element at a specific position in the list. For example, this will remove the element at index 1 in the linked list. Linked list also provides methods for retrieving elements from the list. The get method is used to retrieve an element at a specific index. Here's an example. This will retrieve the element at index 0 in the linked list. Overall, linked list is a very useful class in the Java Collections framework for storing and manipulating lists of elements. It provides a lot of helpful methods for adding, removing, and retrieving elements from the list. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!